you give us another example of how the Bee-Book workshops have made a difference?
Yeah. One of our clients had a serious issue with safety on their site. We delivered Be Ready for Change workshop, followed by Be Engaged workshop. And then we embarked on a safety board game to ensure that everybody understood the message in a crystal clear way. The client came second in a safety standards competition in the industry sector 2 years later. This would never have happened without the Be workshops to help change the urgency, the perception, the habits and behaviors of the entire organization. Once again, we act as the catalysts. The employees take on board the teachings and they apply them. The Bees resonate with everybody. They are non-threatening, they're very likable, and everybody gets the story. It's simple and it's to the point, and it's translatable in every culture, in every country we operate in. Another great result. Really proud to be associated with this one.